Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma Jai Ma. Jai Ma everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Okay. Today, I had already shown you paneer tikka. पिछले कोई एपिसोड में दिखाया था मैंने वीडियो में. But today I am making paneer tikka again, but it is hariyali, मतलब हरी चटनी के साथ. So let's see how we make it, okay? So as I go on putting all the ingredients, you have a look of what I'm doing, and all the measurements are in the description box, so you can check it out there, okay? So we'll go closer. Now, first thing you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of dahi, curd. Heaping, I'll take more. 2 tablespoons. Okay. Then you have to take 2 tablespoons of malai. Fresh malai अपने घर में होती है ना, दूध की मलाई, वो ले सकते हैं आप. Or you can get the dabba of fresh malai. I am taking the homemade malai, जो घर में बनता है, जिससे घी बनता है, So I'm taking that. With the malai, it becomes very soft, the marination. That's why I'm taking it. Take the malai. Then you take chutney. Green chutney बनाई है. अभी green chutney का क्या है? You just make your regular chutney. जो हरा धनिया, पुदीना, mint, coriander, then little piece of ginger, green chillies, and a little bit of salt. And you can put nimbu also, lime juice. So this is that chutney. Now you put as much as you want, So I'm taking about 4 teaspoons. And then we'll see how the marination goes. Now the most important thing is you have to go on mixing it well. It should not mix in such a way that वो पतला हो जाए. You're not thinning it. You're just mixing it. So that I'll show you. You can do it with hand also. Some people use the hand to do it, So one can do that also. I'm trying with the spoon. You have to mix it well. So it is hara bhara, hariyali. So hariyali mein it has to look green. So I'm going to add a little bit of food color. उसको हरा बनाने के लिए. So it looks good. Mix the dahi, curd and the malai very well. So that's what I'm doing. So first we make the marination because it has to rest for about 10-15 minutes, and that's why we are doing it. We will take all the masalas. First I'm adding salt. Everything is like 1 teaspoon, okay? Salt. Then black pepper powder. Add that. Then kala namak, 1 teaspoon. Add that. Then little bit of garam masala. This is not 1 teaspoon. You have to take half a teaspoon. We don't want it very spicy. So that is that. This is again 1 teaspoon chaat masala. So add that. Okay. Then this is green chillies. 3 green chillies. We've just crushed it. And you add that. This is not very spicy. So add that. Then add dhaniya powder, coriander powder. Again 1 teaspoon. And red chilli powder, which is again 1 teaspoon. Add that. Now we have to mix this, and then I will add the food color. Now see, I have mixed this, okay? But I find the marination, the mixture, the masala a little less. Why? Because there are 2 ways of doing this tikka. One is you keep it very dry because finally we have to bake it in the oven. So it is very dry sometimes, you know, the tikka jo skewers pe lagate hain, that is usually very dry. But I want a little bit like a gravy, like a wet thing, you know, not really a gravy, little liquidy, you know. So I am going to add little more dahi. So I have taken 2 tablespoons. I'm adding 2 more. So I'm taking the whole thing. To make it little, you can do it both ways. In the description you will find the dry one, you know, with 2 tablespoons. But like I said, if you want to make more gravy kind of thing, not gravy, it's just wet, then you take a little more. So I'm taking the rest of the malai, which is 1 tablespoon. And we have to mix again. I have mixed this. Now I'm adding the food color. There is so much moisture in the air that it is stuck in the katori. So I'm taking it out. Little bit of green food color. Let's see. Wow, look at that. So it should look like hariyali, na? And I will put a little more chutney to balance it, you know, because we've taken a little more of everything. Not the masalas, but the curd and the malai. So I'll just take 1 teaspoon of chutney and mix it. Now see, we have mixed this nicely, and I'm going to cover it with the lid and let it rest for 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, we will chop the veggies. Veggies में capsicum है, tomatoes है और paneer है. So that Bharti will be doing, and I'll show you how she does it, because you have to de-seed the tomatoes. You know, you can't take the seeds, otherwise it becomes soggy. So let's go.
Jai Ma.
Jai Ma. Okay. Now she's cutting the capsicum. It has to be cut in squares, okay? Which she's showing you. इसके सारे seeds निकाल दीजिए. De-seed everything. I'll show you one piece and then let her cut the rest. Then I'll show you the tomatoes. Make them as big as small as you want, you know. That's how you do the rest. All the capsicum is done. There are 2 capsicum we've taken. You can take as much as you want depending on how many people, and put it in a bowl. Now you take the tomatoes. And de-seed it. See, she's doing it with a spoon. You can do it with a knife, anything. And this also you have to do squares. Yeah. That's it. The tomatoes are done. Now she'll put it in the bowl. Bowl में डाल दो. And last you take the paneer. I have taken 250 grams, 250 ग्राम पनीर का लिया है मैंने. इसको भी आप ऐसे स्क्वायर्स में काट लीजिए. Nice. It is so yummy. You must try it. This is a starter, okay? ये full meal नहीं है. ये जैसे खाने से पहले starter होता है, ये वो starter है. So you try it. It's really tasty. And if you like it, please do comment and let me know that you liked it or not. Even if you don't like it, please comment. Then at least I know what is happening, whether I'm going on the right track or not. उसके बाद you take a tray, baking tray. Okay, this is the baking tray. उसके ऊपर या तो parchment paper लगाइए और या तो aluminium foil. What we are doing? देखिए. Take the size of the tray और उस पे ऐसे लगा दीजिए. So that the tikkas don't stick on the tray. And then you grease this aluminium foil. थोड़ा तेल डालिए और ब्रश से या हाथ से, जो भी आपकी सुविधा हो, उसको ग्रीस करिए और थोड़ा तेल लो भर के। डालो तेल, डालो। अब बताओ। सो यू ग्रीस द होल थिंग and keep it ready. Now this is rested for about I think 10 minutes. Okay, so we just check it out. Nice. And उसके अंदर now we start putting all the things. Capsicum डाला मैंने, mix. Let the capsicum be coated with the masala, with the marination. डाला, उसके बाद I'll add the tomatoes. Mix. And then the paneer, 250 grams. And mix. हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं, चम्मच से भी कर सकते हैं. Coat it well, huh? It looks so good and it smells divine. Smells really good. है ना भारती?
पुदीना
बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. We made the chutney of pudina, na? Pudina and hara dhaniya. So it smells so good, and kala, namak, chaat, masala, everything. Now again I'll let it rest for 5 minutes. Cover and rest. Now it has rested for 5 minutes and I shall start putting it in the tray. ये देखिए. The oven you have to preheat at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes, which I have done. 180 degrees. And it all depends आपका oven कैसा है, कि कितना time लगेगा. It depends on your oven. You know, some people have electric oven, some people have gas oven like I do. So my gas oven always takes longer, you know, to cook. But electric oven अगर किसी के पास है तो वो जल्दी होगा. And if you people don't have, some of you don't have any oven, then you can do it on a skillet. मतलब जो grill तवा होता है ना, उसके ऊपर आप डाल के बना सकते हैं, तो वो ग्रिल हो जाएगा और सब सूख जाएगा, and it will become your tikka. So you can do it on the tawa on the gas also. You know, that's what I'm trying to tell you. So वो भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. Actually मैं आज सोच रही थी कि मैं तवा पे बनाऊं. Then I said नहीं, मैं आज नहीं बनाऊंगी, किसी और चीज के लिए बनाऊंगी. You know. So provided आप लोगों को देखना है मेरी रेसिपीज, वरना मैं क्यों बनाऊं? Different recipes, right? अच्छा लगता है, you know, खाना बनाना अच्छा लगता है. पहले बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता था, अब देखो. कुछ लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि हमें कुकिंग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, पर हम देख रहे हैं आपको देखने के लिए. मुझे देखने के लिए मत देखिए. आपको कुकिंग अच्छा ना लगे तब भी देखिए. ऐसे ही सीखते हैं, you know, मैं तो ऐसे ही सीखी हूँ. लोगों को देख देख के मैं सीखी हूँ. देखा, ऐसे मैंने पूरा ट्रे भर दिया है और अब हम लोग चलेंगे अवन के पास. नाउ वी पुट इट इन द अवन. चलो. You've seen my oven before, so it goes in the oven. Preheated oven for 15 minutes. Now you leave it generally, you know, एक normal oven हो ना तो उसमें 10-15 मिनट लगती है. So it all depends on your oven. Okay, now tikka is ready. We are taking it out. It took me about 20 minutes to do this. Like I said, my oven takes a longer time, you know. 10-15 मिनट में हो जाना चाहिए, but it took like 20 minutes. See how beautiful it looks. It's nice and soft, and I wanted this gravy kind of thing, you know, not very dry. So now you put it in the serving plate. Yummy. It smells heavenly. Absolutely amazing. देखिए कितना बढ़िया लग रहा है। उस पर थोड़ा नींबू का जूस डालिए, यू नो, लाइम जूस, जस्ट स्प्रिंकल एवरीवेयर एज मच एज यू नीड, लाइक हाफ अ लाइम इज ओके आई गेस, डिपेंडिंग कि कितने, मतलब कितना है आपका। दैट्स इट आई थिंक। लवली इजंट इट? ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय मां। आप लोग सब खाइए और कमेंट करिए, बनाइए पहले तो फिर कमेंट करिए। थैंक यू।